Hello, my name's Sue Grant and we're going to have a look around the Discovery 58 AQUALUNA today. She's here with us in Leamington. She is ex-VAT, so she is in the Berthon Customs warehouse. Elegant looking Ron Holland yacht with nice copper coat bottom, which is all in great shape, and this lovely flag blue topsides. Solent rig, Selden fully battened main, furling at the front, swept back spreaders and no runners. And we've just tidied her up after her trip across the Atlantic. You see those fantastic vertical windows in the owner's cabin, which you'll see more of later. So we're just going to take a step down to her great transom. Very easy access onto the yacht, and there's bathing steps that go down from there. So very simple to walk on board. She's got electric davits, and as you can see she's got solar above, which are 500 watt. The davits will take her ribeye, which has got a 20 horsepower Yamaha. Very easy to handle with that setup. And now we're on the spacious aft deck. Gin and tonic seats, obviously. You can have a look at the solar. It's very, very useful if you're doing blue water cruising. That's what this yacht's been doing. Flush hatches. Lovely, easy area to move around in. Wide, comfortable side decks. And the upstand of the gunwale makes her feel very secure when you're at sea. Mid-boarding gates. The iconic Discovery self-tacking jib. Very easily handled sail plan. It's all done from the cockpit. So if you're sailing shorthanded, you don't need to leave the cockpit. Twin whisker poles, great for downwind sailing. And then at the front we have an enormous hold. Then we have the dolphin seats, twin furling, all of which is handled from back in the cockpit. Proper deck saloon yacht, but still so elegant to look at. She is a derivative of the Discovery 55, but has an unbelievable 45% more volume down below. In fact, these owners owned a 55 before ordering AQUALUNA, and they've been super happy with her. They have cruised her in the Mediterranean before taking her to the Caribbean and then sailing her back here. You see she's got a proper bimini. Works really well, and there are panels so that you have vision up to the sail. And likewise the spray hood, all of that protection unwraps. This yacht has got a single wheel, which was preferred by John Chandley, the founder of Discovery Yachts, and makes for a very secure position for the helm and makes her a real, in his view, sailor's yacht, and these owners have certainly found that's the case. She's running on Ray Marine. And here are the controls for the furling for both the front sails and also the main controls. Very easy to move around in this cockpit and to get in and out. There's heaps of space for crew, lying down to read a book and all of that stuff. So now we're going to have a look downstairs. Welcome below on AQUALUNA. She has a maple interior. All the doors are in crossbond maple. and around the place you will see ebony inlays and quite a lot of the use of bird's eye maple just to tidy her up. Raymarin, there is another plotter outside. She's also got Iridium communications. Echo sounder with fish finder is up on top. And this is one of the best parts of the Discovery 58. This is a proper storeroom and you've got access into the engine room. There's 160 horsepower Yanmar here and the Onan generator is 7 kVA. And there you see the water maker, all pickled and not to be used just now. Checker plate on the floor, very, very easy to work. Very well insulated and great access, which means that you really are able to take good care of the yacht. Because the owners have been sailing blue water, she has spares for her spares. And then this lovely raised saloon, which is light and bright and airy. Loads and loads of space and volume, and the white leather just pops out. And then we're going down into a proper Discovery galley. Amtico flooring, which is very hard wearing and looks super. Light coloured Corian, 5-burner stove, huge amounts of storage everywhere, enormous fridge as with all Discoveries. We've got the freezer that we're just looking at, which hides an enormous amount of stuff, and a proper fridge which is full length, custom built for this yacht. She's fully air conditioned. She's also got waterborne central heating as a separated system. Lovely hull windows. So with the maple, she's very light anyway. And with the use of the hull windows, both horizontal and vertical, light floods in wherever you go. Do you see the burr on this door? It looks absolutely lovely. Enormous owner's stateroom, absolutely vast. Of course, she's lee-clothed, so she's great for on passage. Huge amount of cupboard space and room for sitting around. You've got this little seat behind the bed, and then you open up this absolutely fantastic little vanity unit. And everywhere there's storage, and if you have a look, it's as well finished inside as it is outside. And you see extensive use of the burrs. Please wave to Harry, our photographer. Enormous wardrobe, there's another one to port. And then the owner's heads compartment, electric towel rail, big separated shower stall, really easy to keep clean and fresh, lovely Corian surface. More storage, very, very livable. And you see maple fitting as well, which is really smart. This really is a super place to spend time. She's all in lovely shape and light and air wherever you look. And then we're going to go back through the galley area and through this large main saloon. To starboard there's more storage and a lift for the TV. Lovely signature steps which have all just been refinished by Berthon, looking brand new. And then we go down. You can get to the mast just from the left, and here is the guest heads compartment. Again, large, separated shower, which is really what you want when you're having people stay on board for long periods of time. Electric loo. And then we're going to go into the upper and lower berth cabin. which this video doesn't show actually how enormous it is. There's loads of space and air and light, very large berths, and here we've got some outside upholstery being stored. That was all replaced 2018. Another glimpse of Harry. And then into the forward VIP guest cabin. This is a great space, enormous bed, masses and masses of storage, full of light and air. You see those big hull windows just adding to that as well. This is a place where people really could come and stay with you for extended periods and be very happy. Everywhere you go, there's just loads of room, enormous amount of storage, and the joinery is beautifully executed. And back into the main saloon. AQUALUNA, Discovery 58, for sailing far and living well.